Hi everyone, Cole here from Senior Tech Connect. And a question that we often get from older adults is, why does my phone always go dark so quickly? Do you ever have this situation where you're on your phone and just like that, your phone just went dim so that every time you are trying to transcribe something onto your phone or review your notes, all of a sudden the screen goes dark or dim and you have to reopen your phone and turn it back on and unlock it. And it's really just frustrating. So that is called your auto lock screen timer. So what we're going to do on our iPhone today is we're going to see how we can increase that timer so that you have more time to do the tasks that you need to do before your screen goes dim. So how are we going to do this? In order to increase your auto lock time, you need to do it from your settings. You're going to go to settings, this app right here, and then you're going to go to something called display and brightness. You're going to scroll down, click on auto lock, and then you're going to change it to a time that seems right to you. We recommend anywhere from 3 to 5 minutes, so that gives you enough time to get your tasks done, and it does not run your battery for an excessive amount of time. So let's jump right in. So as I said, we're going to start with our settings. The settings app, if you do not have it accessible on your home screen, you might need to search for it. So you can swipe up or down and search for settings like so, and that's how you would find it. But if not, I have it on my home screen, so I can just click right there on settings. Now, a lot of people tell me I clicked on settings and I'm not seeing where you're at. Well, I purposefully made sure that I was in my general settings to show that when you go to your settings, you want to make sure that there's not a blue back arrow up here. You want to go to the very beginning of your settings folder, not all the way deep down into a specific file. So let's go all the way out. This is the main page for settings. So once we get there, we're going to scroll down until we see display and brightness. Tap on display and brightness, and you're going to see some features that maybe some other ones that you're interested in, such as text size or bold text, or the brightness of your phone you can adjust. But today we're going to scroll down and look at auto lock. Right now, my auto lock is set for 30 seconds. So after 30 seconds of inactivity, my screen is going to go dim and is then going to turn off. So I'm going to want to tap on that. And again, we recommend anywhere from 3 to 5 minutes because that gives you enough time to get your tasks done and leave your phone in idle mode without it turning off. So because I teach on my phone a lot, I'm going to set it for 5 minutes. You can see that a blue check mark has appeared. That means that my screen timeout or my auto lock time was updated to 5 minutes. And then I can click back, and I'm back to the top of settings. Now, if I leave my phone just like this, without touching anything on the screen, you're going to see that for 5 minutes, nothing's going to happen. My screen continues to stay bright. And so I can view it if I'm doing something else, if I'm multitasking, the screen will stay absolutely bright for a full 5 minutes. So I hope this was helpful. Please feel free to check us out on our website or some of the links below. And we look forward to continue to teaching you how to use your iPhone for all of the great tricks and tips that it has to offer. Thank you. Have a great day.